Come check out this amazing house with an open floor plan that allows lots of natural light. Newer flooring throughout main level. Kitchen features custom wood kitchen cabinets with granite tops and a large center island, and a pantry. A second living space downstairs. Come with all the kitchen major appliances and also a washer and dryer. Washer is brand new. This home is close to everything with a move-in ready, all brick siding, just few miles from West Knoxville and Lenoir City. Large private backyard and the neighborhood is a quiet cul-de-sac with no drive-through traffic.